Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. I am here for a tutorial for the dance Lasso, and it is by Jean-Pierre match, 32 counts, improver level. It also has a tag. You do the dance, which is 32, and then you do a 16 count tag a couple of times. It's going to make sense when we learn it, so I'm just going to start out with the meat of the dance. Scully, my lovely assistant, is laying here ready to go. Thanks, buddy. Here we go. Taking this right leg, we're going to take it with a brush, out, out, right, left. Sailor step, behind, open, side. Sailor step, quarter turn to my left, behind, open, slightly forward. With the counts, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. This sets you up for the next count of 8, which is going to travel forward. I'm going to move this way a little bit, be a little closer. So we're going to walk it forward for 2. 1, 2, with a forward mambo step. Rock, recover, step. Those are 3 weight changes. Walk back, back, back. Bring the left foot behind you for backside cross, traveling to your right, behind, side, cross. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 walks back, 6 and 7 and 8. You are still at 9 o'clock and you are weighted on your left foot. So that's 2 8s. We'll put those together. From the top, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 sailors, 5 and 6, 7. Walk it forward to your mambo. 1, 2, mambo, 3 and 4. Back it up, behind, backside cross. All right. So we are ready for the third count of 8. Now the third count of 8, generically, you're just doing right, left, but it's not done generically. We're going to take our hips around counterclockwise. So what I'm doing is stepping to the wall and mat with my right foot, starting to circle my body, my hips to the left. And as I come around to this wall, I'm going to cross my left foot slightly over. And I'm going to go again here and over. So it gets a little bit more circular movement by doing that. So I'm going to go 1, cross, out, cross. From here, I'm moving forward with a shuffle, 5 and 6, left, right heel, left heel. That left heel is going to make you turn. So this is what that looks like. Here's my cha, 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 step, heel, heel. They both go in, out. Now I'm weighted on my left, kind of sitting on that left side, so I'm going to feel like I need to take this foot back, which is where it's going to go next. So let's talk about that with the counts. So we have right 1 over 2, 3 over 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. I'll do that again. 6, 7, 8. Oh, right and left. Oh, right and left. Oh, right, left, bump, bump. Now, just a little point here. That is a shuffle forward, step, bump, bump. Now, when I watch Jean-Pierre do this, he does a lock step, lump, bump, bump. And I actually asked him about it and said, which is it? And he said, it's a shuffle, and that's how he teaches it, step together, step. He just gets a little spicy when he's dancing, his words, which I love. So if it starts feeling like a lock step in there, the dance gods aren't going to chop you off there, but it is a shuffle, okay? I'm going to go back to the beginning. 6, 7, 8, we have a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back, 5, 6, that was wrong. So I'm just going to do it again, and that's a blooper. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 2 sailors, 5 and 6, 7. Now walk into your mambo, 2, don't step on your dog, back, back, left, roll right, go cha, 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 step, boom, boom. You're on your left heel, From here, I'm gonna move a little closer here so you can see. From here, this is the last count of 8. You're leaning back, so you're gonna take your right foot back. We're gonna do like a heel jack, but with the back. Back, left, heel, this is your right heel, right, left, step, heel, and I'm gonna finish it because it needs to go together. You're gonna do a step cross, and that cross is gonna start, I forgot what it's called, a jazz box. And right, back, forward, forward. Okay, now let me show you that again at the correct wall, and then I'll turn it so you can see. So I'm on my left foot, and I'm going to take it back. Behind, open heel, and over, open heel, and right to the box, and 7 and 8. Let me show you at this wall so you can see it. So I would be here, and I'll take it back. I'm going to step on my dog's head. Here we go. Back and open and front and open, and that's 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll be starting the dance again, because that's the whole thing. Now, this section we're going to do twice, and then you would add the tag. So I'm going to do it with you at 2 walls, so you can practice that, and then I'll teach you the next section. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 2 sailors, 5, and 6, 7, walk to your mambo, 1, 2, a 3, and 4, back it up, backside cross, 7 and 8, rolling 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, 5 and 6, stomp right, left, right, and cross and out, take a box, step, we'll start it again, 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, 2 sailors, 5 and 6, back wall, 7 and 8, walk into your mambo, 3 and 4, back it up, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, 6, stomp right, left, back and heel step, cross and heel step, cross into your jazz square, and you're there. And when you get to this wall, after 2, you're going to start the tag. So let's learn the tag. Now the tag starts the first time here at wall 6, because that's where we ended, but I'm going to go to turn it around so you can see it. The second time we do the tag, it will start at 12 o'clock. So you're going to be learning it that way, okay? So first thing we do is we're going to step that right foot to the side. We're going to stomp it out with a 1, and the right heel goes heel, toe, toe, heel, behind with the sweep, cross behind, step side. We're doing a crossing triple. Now plain one is left, right, left. We're going to turn a quarter on this, so I'm going to take it here and here. We'll repeat that same step. Here's it is with counts. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, cross and turn it. You're basically doing 1/8 of a turn on the second 2 steps of that crossing triple. You repeat it. Out, heel, toe, toe, heel, cut back, behind, out, triple step. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now what's really important when you do that section is that you make sure that stomp gets all your weight on your right foot, because the left foot does all the next action, right? We have a right foot is here. I'm all my weight, so I can go heel, toe, toe, heel. Then I throw my weight so I can cross behind. I'm stepping back a little so I don't step on my dog. Sweep, right? And then on this part, every time we do behind, side, cross, we're going to take our lasso with our right hand. So it will look like this. We'll take it out on 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that will happen. Now, that tag is done 4 times, just like that. Exactly what we did. And the way the dance works, the sequence, is that we do the dance here, we do the dance here, which gets us to 6. And then we do that lasso section, the tag, 4 times, which gets us back to here. We start the dance again. We do the main part of the dance at this wall. We do it at this wall, which gets us to here. And then we do the tag 4 times again, which gets us back to 12. And guess what? The dance is over. It's a short song. Okay? So, I would like to do the dance the second time we do the meat of the dance, and then add the tag, the lasso. We may not do it 4 times, but just to kind of get through it so you can get used to it. So the second time you do the dance, you're going to face 9. Ready? Oh, where are you going? Bye. I guess he didn't want to do the dance. Come back, Scully. Come on. Come back. It's not the same without you. Yeah, maybe not. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. We've got 1. Sorry, I just threw the tag. Ready? And 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Come on, Candy. Sailor step. Sailor step. Take your walk into your mambo. 3 and 4. Back it up. Backside cross. Roll and cross. Roll and cross. Take it to the front. Stomp, heel, toe. Back and over and back and over and box. Step. Here you go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Lasso. Boom, and then you keep doing that. You do 4 times, okay? That is how we do lasso. So, I'm going to turn around and we're going to do it with some music. All right? Here we go. He's back. I love you. Here we go. Right leg.
Wild horse at the gate, made a way downtown. Yeah, your heart about to break.
Back it up.
But you gon' ride another round. Round and around she go. You might need a little more room. If you wanna take her back home tonight. Ooh, 'cause she got that black boots with the red lips, sipping on cloud while she kissing on me. Wild child with the southern belle style, kind of girl you don't see in your dreams. She the type of woman that gon' make you lose control.
Right, left.
Yeah, she's something wild, you might need to lasso.
Here's your tag.
So bring it in, throw it out, spin around. Like a lasso.
Step.
Bring it in, throw it out, spin around.
Back, side, chop, chop, chop.
Bring it in, throw it out, spin around. Like a lasso. Bring it in, throw it out, spin around. Like a lasso.
Start the dance.
Like a thief in the night.
Just
She be on with the wind.
Mambo.
Thing about a Mustang.
Back it up.
You ain't never taking in.
Oh.
Big belly on her head. A lot of cowboys live there. Woman everywhere I wear. 'Cause the way she filling out that dress with them black boots with the red lips, sipping on cloud while she kissing on me. Wild child with the southern belle style, kind of girl you don't see in your dreams. She's the type of woman that gon' make you lose control. Yeah, she's something wild, you might need
Here we
a
go, tag.
lasso. Bring it in, throw it out, spin around. Like a lasso. Bring it in, throw it out, spin around. Like a lasso. Bring it in, throw it out, spin around. Like a lasso. Bring it in, throw it out, spin around. Like a lasso.
That's it. Short and sweet. You get to end up where you started, which I always love. Thank you so much for coming to learn this dance lasso. I appreciate you being here. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. I would like that and appreciate it. I love it when you like the video. That's so great. And leave comments and share it. If you leave a comment, I will get back to you if you have any questions. And if you are in the LA area, that's where I teach. Look me up so that we can spend some time together. That would be awesome. And on behalf of Scully and myself, I'll see you on the dance floor.